Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G200. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and type in Send Anywhere in the search bars. Now you need to install this app from this developer and choose Open. Now you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Following that, do exactly the same on Motorola device and choose Receive on Motorola Moto G200 and Send on this Motorola smartphone. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. This one, choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on the Motorola Moto G200, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait a bit, and now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!